So, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be previewing the Koken Zeal 3726ZB-280 ratchet. This is a Koken 3/8 drive ratchet from the Zeal series, the premium precision high tolerance series, and this ratchet features a quick release button here that disengages a dead-end pin and then releases the socket, a flex head with a dead-end pin, and it's also the long one, that is to say it's 280 millimeters in length. This ratchet also has an overmolded hard plastic handle, which I find very sleek looking, comfortable enough, because I'm not a fan of gross, hideous, very thick overmolded plastic handles. This ratchet, of course, features the new updated 72-tooth mechanism, and it also stands for a very low back drag, which of course Koken is famous for. Here we have an all-metal mechanism with the direction switching lever, also in metal. And regarding the flex head mechanism, there is a dead-end pin and a spring that acts against it, and it holds the ratchet in the straight position. There is only one position the dead-end pin works, and that's on the straight position. This, of course, has some benefits and some drawbacks. For example, when I need to put the socket in the anvil, I have to hold the body of the ratchet still, and of course depress the button, because here arises the problem. When I try to depress again the button to remove the socket, the flex head moves, and that's of course not ideal. However, this ratchet has the benefit that if the space is tight, if you don't have enough patches, for example in an engine bay, the flex head provides a solution for that. However, I wouldn't consider it a main ratchet, meaning that one has to also have straight, not flex head ratchet. Overall quality is exceptional, as we are used to from Koken. It's of course made in Japan. Regarding the price, this is one of the most expensive ratchets one can buy, leaving aside Snap-on, which I'm not a fan of, and also I'm in Europe, so no joy here buying Snap-on. This cost me 109 euros. And of course, I haven't worked with it yet. I have a short, normal, not flex head 3/8 ratchet, also the same as the Koken Zeal series, that I will be reviewing soon enough. That's it for today. I hope you find this video interesting, because there are not so many videos regarding these Koken ratchets, especially flex heads and with the button as well, which I find the button of course important. It's my preference. So have a nice one.